Has to come here and be ready, please.
First of all, I would like to say something different. Okay, this lesson plan name itself speak. Lesson plan. This is plan. This is not the things which we are going to present in the class. We have to write on this lesson plan. Means lesson plans for teacher. First of all, that lesson plans, according to the lesson plans, the teacher will perform the activities in the class. We are little bit confused about this. So we most of the complaint related with the real class. What do you present here? We are not presenting the things here. We are just showing our plan. This is our plan. This is our 1 period 45 minutes plan. So everything cannot be included here. So I humbly request all the participants. Please, if you try to ask me the activities, actions, performance, I cannot perform now. Okay, that is the problem. The real class and lesson plan, the pre-preparation. We have to prepare the lesson plans while we have to present the activities, and post we will welcome the feedbacks or correction will be done there, improvement will be done there. Okay, first of all, we have to be keep in our mind that now I would like to go through this lesson plan. This is our team plan. Okay, teaching grammar. This is language function under topic. Okay, this is the grammar topic, and under this language function, we have selected the one topic from class 12. Okay, that unit first. That is, there is question tag section in grammar section. Okay, there is question tag. But what we have done means question tag also that is the general term. You know, question tag means there are different type of question tags. Okay, so we had minimized or specify the topics. Imperative sentence, only question tag of imperative sentence. Okay, we are going to teach in the class, or I have been going to teach to the student in my class. Okay, imperative of question tag of imperative sentence, and means objectives of imperative sentence. First of all, structural objectives. Structural objective means to differentiate the between the statements and tag part. There is the question tag. Question tag means there is the statement parts and tag part, and there is the separation by the comma. Yes, and after at last question marks, and before question marks there is question tag, and middle of there comma, and front there is initial, there is statements, and confirmation will be asked by the question tag. Okay, that is confirm. Rhetoric question in English. Question tag means rhetoric question. So differentiate between the statement and question tag. So number one is specific objective. Number two is to make and use of the question tag of imperative sentences. Means the students will able to use the question tag of imperative sentence only. Imperative sentence also there are many categories. Okay, imperative sentence, the commanding, okay, requesting, okay, ordering. There are different type of imperative sentence. We are not going to show these things here. This is plan, you know. Okay, and technology means the teacher will download the videos which are particularly related with the imperative question tags, and or the teacher might be use the cell phone, laptop, or projector, or Google platform, that is okay, Google classroom platform, that can be used as materials. These are the teaching materials. Okay, and how to use means we have divided the 3 stages: pre-stage, while stage, and post-stage. Before pre-stage we are studying. Okay, there might be already told warm-up activities. Okay, we can just warm up by playing the short video slide related with the question tags, or that might not be related with the question tag. Okay, it will be related with the question tag, or it might not be related with the question tag. Just warm up. We try to make the student ready to listen, ready to do, ready to engage. Okay, free stage time and while stage. This is the exact things will be happen in the class, real class. while activities we play the downloaded video on the projector if there is possible. There is no possibility of access of that projector, and we will use the laptop or mobile phone. Okay, on the basis of ma'am already said the size of class or the what is quantity of the students. That is then let the student to discuss. Okay, after the presentation of that video, we let the students to discuss about the videos. Okay, all the interaction. There might be the interactions or finding of the structure of question tag. The first of all, the first objectives. Simply they find out this is the statement part, sir. There is comma. After that there is question tag, and there should be question marks. They will just identify that. This is. Then ask them to observe the sentences and note down which is the changes in the tag part. Okay. There will be the minute observation done by the students. And what sort of the grammatical change, what sort of the pronoun change, what sort of the subject in the question tags. Okay, these things will be analysis. Okay, these things will be discussed, or these things will be the critically observed by the students, and they will note down the things what they have got from that analysis, that discussion, that analysis. Okay. And the post activities provide the classwork on the Google Classroom. That is with the help of
यही पोस्ट है
that is
कि तपाईँको आफ्नै पोस्ट
what do you call Padlet and Google Classroom. Through that we can provide them classwork also if that is possible. Otherwise, we will simply provide the distribute the text papers. Okay, and they will write the question, solve the questions. Okay, that is activities will be done there. And provide the feedback immediately if there is the online teaching. Okay, there is the great possibility of immediate feedback. Otherwise, face-to-face feedback can be used by the teacher. Okay, face-to-face in the class in front of the other qualified students. That could be done, and take a test in the that Padlet or the provide the homework too, means through that Google platform or Padlet platform, and we can provide them homework. Okay, we can provide them homework, or we can conduct the test, virtual test. We can conduct the virtual test. In this way, we will finish the class within 45 minutes, and after that we will welcome your feedbacks.
Feedbacks. Okay, sir, has finished. Okay, please there.
Any feedbacks, please?
शेयरिङ त्यसलाई पनि त्यति उसमा के यो व्यक्तिलाई नभए शेयरिङ मात्रै गर्ने
Okay. This is the great question. This is not the exactly the formal lesson plan. Okay, where is included the 5 components. Everything. Last one there is also what is it? External observer. Okay. So question is right, but we have this. This is the sample. Okay. 3 objectives, technology, and how to use only 3 things we have shown here. And you have your question is in what grammar, which type of technique. Okay. That is. Deductive technique or inductive technique will be used. Means obviously the inductive technique that we use here, the deductive technique, that is word technique. Okay, inductive technique means they will find out. Look here, students will find out the rules here. They will find out the structure. Where is the statement part? Where is the gap? And they will find out the changes. Yeah, means through the sentences they will find out the rules. It is clearly inductive method. Is it okay, sir?
There, feedback.
And sir,
So I have some points. Providing some feedback. So he has talked about generally deductive and inductive method to there. So and at first, so there I think that tag questions are imperative sentences, isn't it? So I think that I don't think that imperative tag questions are not imperative sentence, because tag questions is in interrogative question. Generally sentence has its 5 types. So authoritative, imperative, tag question, exclamatory, and objective there. And so there we can make so tag questions so with the help of imperative and assertive there, right? So but so imperative sentences is not tag question there because tag question is so interrogative sentences one thing is there. So another thing is that so I am still confusion there. So whether so our respected sir has asked so to make lesson plan or what sort of technologies will be used there in the classroom and how to use them. So here is even so our group so has confusions. So what is about it?
Okay, first question is that is you said interrogative sentence
Yeah.
is only tag question. We have downloaded only. There are also 5-6 videos about
So
the tag question of imperative
I
sentence.
mean that generally question has 3 types, right? So one WS question, ASNO question and tag question. But tag question is not imperative there. Tag question is in interrogative question and we can make there. Suppose so open the door is so imperative and will be there. So this part is tag question. But imperative is not. So yes, tag question is an imperative sentence, but so tag question is in interrogative question. So I mean that one.
Okay, sir. Your idea and our idea is less than similar.
Yes.
Just confusion there. You think we have created the new types imperative tag question. That is not okay. We have not created the new grammar here, okay? Or new topic, new types imperative sentence. Means tag question. We just narrow down the subject.
We mean
Narrow down. Yeah, we just narrow down the subject means we do not want, we cannot see within 45 minutes, okay, there might be the or 30 minutes only. Within 30 minutes we cannot teach all the types of tag questions within the single period.
Different rules and very short.
That's why we narrow down this one. So this is not a new type, okay?
Does it mean we have
Is it okay, finished?
Yes, fine.
a tag question including only indirect sentences?
Yeah, only tag question which are formed by the only imperative sentence.
Tag questions
Okay.
of
Not only that,
imperative
not only that,
Functional.
assertive
Yeah.
means statement, and we can make tag question from assertive sentence to not only imperative there.
Yeah, we are not going to define here.
So,
new
we have
we are not
specified the
going
topic.
to give the new definition of tag question here. We just try to minimize the subject, minimize the topic only. Okay. That is very
Specify.
specified. And the next question, sir, what?
It was about me, I guess.
But I understand that.
Yes, we fine. So
I understand that.
idea is fine. Just I have
So,
just
What I understand means technology is not we are going to teach the technology here. We saw question here how to use technology means we teacher use the technology here, okay, to teach the topic, to teach the specific objective. I understood that, sir.
okay,
Is
specific.
it right or not? I don't
No.
know. Okay, but now you can.
Dr.
I understand
Sir,
that.
yes, whatever you do, you have to be confirmed and you have to think and be sure that you are doing right.
Yeah, I
Whatever you are doing, first you have to think that you are right.
So there will be gap between us.
I think I'm right.
I mean that. So where we use techniques to explain the activity.
I will answer your question.
Devices for
I have not said any answer for your question. But sorry, there is only one question from me. So, what is the role of teacher here? So, because you are going to play the downloaded video and these things, right? What is the role of
There
teacher?
is no dominant role of teacher, okay? There is the facilitators. Teacher will be the facilitator. Technology, that is the benefit of
Means
technology for the teacher.
presentation will be done by the video.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is enhanced,
Yeah.
really enhanced,
Teacher
technology
lab-
enhanced.
teacher physical
And
lab videos.
there was one of the teachers, and she said that we are teachers, so save our voice.
Yeah.
Let's use
Teacher
the
active
voice.
less, student active more.
All right. So that I wanted to highlight that presentation is not done by the teacher.
Yeah.
Only the first
Facilitators.
that only that kind of activity which we do, that is here, means we saved our voice also. Actually, if there is board and we have to write and so, right, so we saved those things if it is possible. So other things are fine, and so let us clap for them.
Thank you everybody.